I'm Sister Linda Solar, a Benedictine sister, and I am a campus minister in campus ministry. I focus on pastoral ministry in our students and also in service outreach.
Hi, I'm Sarah Carter. I am a second year teacher here at Hill Murray and I work in campus ministry. I coordinate the service program and help students get connected with opportunities to serve their community here at Hill Murray.
Hi, welcome to Campus Ministry. My name is Therese Wealth. This is my first year here at Campus Ministry, but I help around with retreats as well as masses and prayer services.
Hi, my name's Paul DeZiel, and I work with the liturgy, which is the public prayer of the church here. And also I work with retreats, and I love young people, and I really enjoy connecting them and walking with them on their journeys as they get to experience the outrageous love of God.
Hello and welcome. I'm Christopher Ranweiler, one of the campus ministers here at Hill Murray. As you can tell from speaking with my other colleagues here, campus ministry is involved in a lot of different things in our school. One is the Mass and prayer services, where we come together to worship God and grow closer to God. Another is our retreats. Every student at Hill Murray goes on a retreat where they get closer to their classmates and they learn to live out their faith, hopefully are inspired to live out their faith in a personal way. We have a community service program. Everyone's required to do service because service is such an important part of who we are at Hill Murray. And we have some adults here who help students figure that out, how to do their service and how to log it. Lastly, there's two other small little areas. One is our peer ministry program, where we have young people trained to help serve and lead all of the different pieces that I was just mentioning. So kids are in leadership to help run the retreats or help with mass and prayer. And finally, we have a beautiful office here. We can welcome young people in if they have some issue going on at home or something happened during the day. We are here to listen to them and help them, support them through their hard times. So I hope you're enjoying your introductions to Hill Murray. Have a great day.